Hello, health enthusiast. Are you ready to unlock the secret of your black tie diet, and its impact on your health? You've come to the right place. Welcome to Health Plan, your ultimate destination for empowering health talks.
Do you know your blood group? Have you ever wondered why some people lose weight so easily, but for others, it's like a daily struggle with weight gain? Have you thought about the fact that some people are easily stricken with chronic illness, yet others out there are able to live a healthy and vital lifestyle even into their old age? Have you thought about the fact that you react to some particular foods? To get answer to all these questions, join me, Nanepia, here on Health Plan as we discuss your blood type and your blood type diet.
Plug into healthier, happier you with Health Black.